Hi, my name is Jay Pugliese. I'm an attorney with the Law Office of Eric R. Brown, and today we're going to talk about 5 tips for preparing a discrimination case. Tip number 1, know your internal workplace policies. Many employee handbooks, or if you're in a union environment, your collective bargaining agreements will have policies on sexual harassment and other types of discrimination. They'll also have policies on how to file a complaint and who that complaint has to go to. Not that not following those policies will completely preclude you from filing a complaint, but it may provide the employer with a defense. And that might be that they were not notified of the problem and not given the opportunity to fix the problem. Tip number 2, document. Make sure that you keep notes on all of the conversations that you have. Anything that may be perceived as discriminatory, keep notes, keep documentation, keep copies of emails, copies of text messages, copies of any postings that might have been put up around the company in employee common areas. Anything that you feel is discriminatory in nature, document. That documentation is going to be very helpful down the line. Tip number 3, follow through with any internal complaints that you make and follow through with the investigations that are done by the employer. That's only going to provide evidence. Now, the employer obviously is going to try to spin those investigations to their benefit, but in the end, it may uncover a problem and it may produce some evidence that you can use down the line in your case. Tip number 4, do not retaliate. These cases can be emotionally charged. They can be very demanding on somebody. They can be very emotional. Don't let your emotions get the best of you. Just follow the process. Follow what you need to do. Do your documentation. Keep your opinions to yourself internally. Don't lash out at other employees and don't lash out at your employer. In the end, that could end up harming your case and potentially put a little bit of liability back on you. Whenever you feel that you're being discriminated against, document the incident, keep your mouth shut, and walk away. There'll be more time for you to express your emotions and express your feelings later on down the line in the right venue. And tip number 5, if you really truly feel that you're being discriminated against at work, consult with a lawyer, or if you're not ready to hire a lawyer, consult with the Connecticut Commission on Human Rights and Opportunities, or CHRO. A lawyer in particular is really going to be able to talk through the facts with you. They're going to know the law, and they're going to be able to help you make that claim and make the claim stick. A lot of times people feel that they're being discriminated against, but unfortunately when you parse the case out and you look at the facts and you apply the law to those facts, the discrimination is not based on a protected class, and that can sometimes be fatal to a case that's filed in court prematurely. So please consult with a lawyer. Please consult with CHRO if you're not ready to hire a lawyer. But in the end, your best bet is to talk to somebody with some knowledge on the topic and make sure that you can get your case filed and make sure you can get your case filed properly. If you have any questions or if you have an issue that you would like to discuss, please give us a call.